So a lot of the 800 sleds we've been finding when we use our 12.1 tool on them, so we find that the top tang is not touching. So basically that's telling us that the mag side of the motor needs to get picked up. So basically what we did is we came up with a little under engine bumper here that is going to go ahead and mount to the underside cross member of the sled. 2 rivets on the side, they get drilled from the back, and basically you can just bump the mag side of the motor up a little to get your motor to be in alignment, and also to try to help limit the movement of the motor on decel and things like that. So go ahead and show you how this goes in. Okay, so now under the sled we are gonna go ahead and install the bumper to line up right over this big wide flat spot on the case right here where the holes are. You can look up and see inside at the crank seal, and we're basically just going to drill 2 holes like that line up with our 2 holes on our part. Go ahead and rivet those down and adjust for the bump. To get to this point, we removed the rivets from our bottom belly pan and drilled it out, and also removed the front pan, but you won't need to remove the front pan if you're just installing the motor bump. Just did that so you could see a little better what was up there. Okay, so now with our bumper installed, our oil line not in the way of anything, good as a slant, we'll go ahead and just adjust it up and we'll be all done. We're just going to keep adjusting it until we get the parallelism on our motor to where we want to be at. Okay, and now with the gear nut slammed up, everything's looking good down here, we can go ahead and button up the belly pan and check our alignment. Okay, so now we come back and look at our alignment. You can see where top is bang on now. And that took about 2 turns on the motor bumper to get that to be where it needed to be. And we got about 1 turn of preload on the back adjuster. So now our alignment's looking pretty good, and that's how we install them.